Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday.
Three, two, one.
They have to be to live in the city. You got to be very wealthy because these houses and these apartments and condominiums are very expensive.
So beautiful. Walk night walk. Logan House Circle. Wow, what a stunning place. This is nightlife. Stunning, wow. The lightings, the lightings.
Look, everybody's just out hanging out.
So beautiful place. Extremely. This is nightlife here. Amazing. Ooh, extremely beautiful. Downtown Washington, D.C.
Okay. But still, we want to get up fairly early because we got a lot to see tomorrow. Restaurants everywhere. There's 14th Street Cafe, Asian Beach.
This is the hotel. Pavilion. The restaurant. So delicious foods. The problem is it's so cold. And I'm just wearing this shirt.
It's better now because see, it's not as windy. And it's not far to the hotel, so we'll be
Nightlife. Last day.
this might be a time I'm going to worry about rules crossing the street.
It's so cold. Oh my god. I should have to bring some hoodie. So cold. Nightlife. Cold. Walking sidewalk nearby. Actually, that's the Philippine Embassy, Washington, D.C. That one. And the hotel is just hotel. Oh, see? Hotel and Philippine Embassy. Philippine Embassy. The hotel where I stay.